Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a homemade vitamin C serum. Mix 1 teaspoon vitamin C powder with 1 tablespoon distilled water, then add 1 tablespoon glycerin or 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel for texture. Use a dark container and store in the fridge. Patch test a small area first and discard if color turns orange or brown. I'll guide you step by step in a calm, friendly way with practical tips. Start by measuring ingredients precisely on a small scale to hit 10% to 15% concentration. Dissolve L-ascorbic acid in distilled water and mix until fully dissolved, then add glycerin or aloe for skin-friendly moisture. Adjust pH with a tiny pinch of sodium bicarbonate if needed, aiming for around pH 3, 5 to 4. Store in a dark glass bottle and label the date for freshness tracking. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it might help you budget for quality ingredients or your skincare routine. I mention it because saving smarter can mean nicer products without overspending, and it's a fun read to boot. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After cleansing, apply 2 to 3 drops of serum and let it absorb before moisturizer or sunscreen. Be cautious layering with retinol or strong acids. Use them on alternate nights if sensitivity occurs. Keep the bottle in the refrigerator to preserve potency and note the mix date. If the serum turns yellow, orange, or brown, stop using it and make a fresh batch to ensure safety and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.